ground again. Make a little more space for the next building. Extrude the bases with E, hitting Y to make it move along on the Y-axis. And now I'm done with this. We have now enough space for another building. So what I will do now is that I will create a building which you can go through, like a house or something like that. So now let's look where we can build the entrance and where Mario could go through. So this will be the place Mario will be able to go through. So now I just select the faces around the way Mario will be able to go, and extrude in order to I could now also use the grid to move it like 1 unit high. When I hit 1, it will become 1 unit high. And now we will have to create new faces between these walls in order to make a top to build the house fully. So now I have selected these 4 vertices and I create a new face, and I will do the same here. Hit F. Face. Now you can see that we will have a roof here. So now we will select all the spaces. Oh, I'm having trouble selecting the right faces. So I just have to unselect faces I do not like. Now we will extrude the face, these faces, and we've created the rooftop. This is a little high. Now we don't like having blocky houses, so I just select both faces and move them a little along like we did before. Just make sure that you now select both edges, because we've extruded the building 2 times instead of 1. So if I just move this edge, the other edge stays where it is, and this isn't what I actually intend to do, because I want to move the whole building. think you understand where this is going. And now we have the possibility of using the scale tool. I'll just select. So I'd like to select all these top edges, and afterwards I will scale them. And then we will see what happens. So I hit S in order to scale them, and now the rooftop has somewhat become smaller. It would be a pretty small rooftop. So I could now extrude these faces again and put another roof on top of it. I could also scale it again to give it a rounded shape, or somewhat rounded shape. Extrude it again, and so on and so forth. Now Mario is able to go through this way. So now you should be able to understand how I created my world. I used scaling for the borders of the map the same, so I selected all these edges around the world and extruded them, and afterwards I have scaled them in order to build such a line. So I'll quickly show you what I mean. I select all edges around the world. But this is half of the world. I extrude them. Hit the V button to make it move on the D axis. Now I hit the scaling button S, and I scale it to. So now we have level borders. So when Mario reaches these edges, he will fall down the level border, and and when he falls down here, he will certainly reach the death floor, which will make him lose a life.